A substantial portion of human misery is probably due to genetic and cultural mismatch with our current environments.
So there's this concept of evolutionary mismatch. That is, our bodies are hardwired for how things were and not how things are.
I believe as an evolutionary biologist that we have to go back 1.8 million years to uncover the secret.
I spent over a year of my life in Africa. I've worked with small-scale foraging societies with hunter-gatherers. When I think of my experience with the Hadza, they dwell in several different camps.
A camp is a coalition of individuals. They work together in the shared project of survival and reproduction.
The challenge is how to scale that trust. It's one of the most important challenges of the 21st century. And if we don't figure that out, I have serious concerns for our viability as a species. I got my PhD at Indiana University, did my postdoc at Duke University, and then I'm now a tenured professor at the University of Toronto. I was bearing witness to a group of people that literally the secret of their success is each other, is relying on each other in these close-knit face-to-face networks. And the light bulb went off and I realized I didn't have that in my life.
When we think of tribalism today in the 21st century, immediately we think of something negative or pejorative. But the irony here is that we first invented tribalism as a species to bootstrap trust amongst strangers.
And if an organization understands this, you can be an organization with 10,000, 20, 30,000 individuals. And if you understand how to properly tribal signal, you can then get a sense of we are all part of the same team.
Raise your hand if you've ever had problems falling asleep.
We spend a vast majority of our personal lifetime cumulative experience in this fascinating state.
It sort of begs the question, why did we sleep in the first place, right?
You can take it back a billion and a half, maybe 2.5 billion years.
As we know, humans have the shortest total sleep time, but we also have the highest proportion of REM jammed into that.
And maybe the take-home point here is that for us, it's quality over quantity.
I think if we understand our evolutionary fitness and the parameters that allowed us to succeed evolutionarily, we can use that information to enhance our health and wellness.
But I'm just an evolutionary biologist.